Hi guys, welcome back to our channel DevTown. As in the previous video guys, we have discussed about the Excel. I have shown you some of the features, some of the basic of the Excel. Okay, as now we are beginning with our data science series, so Excel is also very much important and the very basic thing. Okay, so guys, if you are like willing to start the career in the data science, that like Excel is must. Okay, so as I've told you that this thing is called the ribbon in the Excel. So now what will we doing in this today's video? I will tell you about how you can customize the quick access toolbar in the Excel, how you can work on it, and what is the quick access toolbar. So now let's just start guys. So quick access toolbar is present at the top left corner of your screen in the Excel as you can see here. Okay, so this quick access toolbar by default have three buttons. Okay, so first one is save, the second is the undo, and the third is the redo. Okay, as you can see on the screen. So these are set by default by the Microsoft, and you can easily like understand the working. The save button will save the file, and undo and redo you can like understand yourself. See guys, so how we can customize it? So you have to click on this like down arrow. Okay, as you can see on this bar, so there is basically three tick marks present here. So now what this tick mark is denoting here? So it is simply denoting that the type of button which are present on the quick access toolbar. As you can see, the save, undo and redo buttons are present. Okay, so guys, this thing is very much simple. Okay, so simple, and though it is very basic and important. Okay, so everyone like have a knowledge of it. So now suppose guys I want to add the new in our quick access toolbar. How I can like do that? Just simply press on the new. See guys, now this icon is present here which is denoting it as a new. So every time I don't have to like come here and then press the new. Okay, so I can just simply start here with like pressing it. See, now it is showing the new. See, okay, I hope guys that you are getting my point and what I'm trying to explain you. I am explaining you this thing in like in the very easy way. Okay, and if you want to remove this new here, you just have to simply click on it and it will be removed. Okay, so now we will learn something more about it. Okay, so there is a like one button here present, more commands. Okay, let me click on it. See guys, so you can like add more commands and the more things according to your need in the quick access toolbar. See, you can like do anything guys, anything. Suppose I want to add this copy. Okay, let add. See, now this copy is also being added on the quick access toolbar. And see, let me also add something. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, page setup. Okay, and if you have to remove, so you can also remove. See, just now it is removed from the hair. Guys, this thing is like very much easy. Okay, and if I want to add the superscript, then add, and if I want to remove it, then the remove. See guys, it is very much easy. Okay, so like this Microsoft allows you like to do work in a very easy way. That's why it is Microsoft. Okay, now let me add something. I will show you how it looks like. Okay, page setup again. This name manager. Yeah, perfect, guys. So if I save this, see, now all this command is present on our screen at the like top left. Okay, and now there is one more thing. As I have told you guys in the Excel that this bar is called the ribbon. This file home inside this this all area is called the ribbon in the Excel. Okay, and now if I want to like suppose my shift my quick access toolbar below this, so how I can do this? See, now you would be thinking, where is my quick access toolbar gone? So it is now present here. Okay, see guys, now the save, this do, undo, okay, all this thing is present here. It is like moved below the ribbon. Okay, and now if I show above the ribbon, so it will like move back to its original place where it was. Okay, now let me remove this, like all the stuffs. It's very difficult to manage all. Second, guys. Okay, and there is one more method, guys, to add something in your quick access toolbar. Now, how you can do that? Okay, now let me show you. Suppose I came here. I want to like add this background in my quick access toolbar. So how I will do that? You just have to simply click the right and add quick access toolbar. See, now this background is being added here. Okay, I hope guys that you are getting my point. And if you want to remove, you can just simply again click the right button and then remove from quick access toolbar. It is being removed from the here. Okay, if I want to remove it, let me remove all this. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I hope guys that like customizing the quick access toolbar, this topic is very much clear to you. You are getting my point, what I'm trying to explain you. And still guys, if you have any difficulty, you are always free to tell me in the chat box or in the comment box. Okay, I will definitely reply you. There is no issue, guys. And now, guys, one more thing. You can also access the quick access toolbar elements using the short keys in your keyboard. So now how you can do that? Okay, so this is a very big question. How you can do that? So you just have to simply press, let me write it on the screen. Okay, you just have to simply press the Alt key in your keyboard. So let me show you. Wait a second. Alt C. Now, as I have pressed the Alt key, so as you can see the in the key there is showing some number, some alphabets, and many things like here you can see the Y, W, R, A, M, P. So it is showing the shortcuts like a keyboard. Okay, and if you change this thing from here from page layout to this formula, wait a second, guys. There is some issue. Wait a second. Now, if shift this thing from here, like from this home, the data. See, now if I press this Alt, again it is showing me some numbers and the alphabets. Okay, and I know guys that there is one shortcut in the Excel. Like if I press the 7, it will redirect me to the print preview. So now if I press the 7, let me show you. See guys, now it has redirected me to this print page. Okay, so there are many shortcuts you can use in the Excel, and trust me guys that learning the shortcuts always give you a very good added advantage. Okay, because it is very hectic to like perform that same task like writing again and again and again. Okay, and let me show you one thing. Suppose guys, now you want to see the best setting, okay, for the quick access toolbar. You can also do this thing using the Google. See, I have simply searched the best quick access toolbar Excel. Okay, and now it is showing me different numbers of suggestion. 8 great tools for your quick access toolbar. Let me see it. what is it is showing us. Okay, how to modify. Okay, this is the same thing as I have told you, how you can add the quick access toolbar. Okay, add, remove. I have covered everything, guys. Okay, so there is like no worry, no issue. Okay, so it is showing me save, undo, redo, copy. Okay, paste value. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. So guys, there are like different numbers of option. Okay, 14 plus hidden commands you can add to your quick access toolbar. Okay, that's great. Okay, I hope guys that you understand this video and everything is very much clear. Okay, and if you please like this video, just hit the subscribe button and the like button and join with us our channel DevTown.